Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to find the location of your Outlook data files on a Windows computer. Let's start with step 1. First, open Outlook and go to the data file settings. To begin, launch Microsoft Outlook on your computer, then click the File tab in the upper left corner. Next, choose Account Settings, and from the drop-down menu, click on Manage Profiles. This will open a new window. In that window, go ahead and select the button labeled Data Files. Now you'll see a list of all the Outlook data files stored on your system. To view where a file is stored, click the Open File Location button. This will open the folder in File Explorer. Let's move on to step 2, accessing or opening the file, which is optional. At this point, you can see exactly where the data file is saved on your system. If you'd like, you can double-click the file to open it in Notepad, Word, or another program. And that's it. You now know how to find your Outlook data file on a Windows computer. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial.